Morning guys, tang sukas lang guys. Nalaman ko kasi Madam Reeds na pa yung mga guys. Namit yung halo-halo guys. Or bahog-bahog, halo-halo or kung sa pa tawag guys, halo-halo. Pwede siya bahog-bahog. Napay term line guys. Lami kina guys, may na kayo pinakalami guys, the best. Pagkita lemon, kalaman sa lemon, milk tea. Pagkatay, wapa, Paris anang slice bread. So guys, thank you for watching guys. Spanish bread. Guys, ice pa ang milk tea calamansi juice, calamansi lemon guys, ice pa kaya pa guys milk tea na siya guys. Lamig ko ganing bahaw guys lami ang bahaw sarap to guys, pangapi na mo diha.